you off my money, baby. We'd be unshakable.
Good morning, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Vanessa. I have a 8-month-old daughter, 2 dogs, and a fiance named Sergio. I just wanted to take you guys along today. We're going to IKEA, but first I am outside with the dogs, letting them sunbathe for a second before they're stuck inside for a few hours. We are going to get us all ready and head out to IKEA. We stopped by the food court before. We're going to be shopping around. Take off the little like top parts for her. She loves broccoli.
I'm gonna go get a little.
And then we got, what is it, meatballs?
Swedish meatballs.
Potatoes and fries. And I got her some chicken. So we're over in like the little kids section. And I really like these mats. Our house is carpeted, but it's super hard, so I'm thinking that's a good idea. $39.99.
It's bigger than you. What you say?
I wanted to get it. Are you sure we should get it?
Mariana, you want it?
She don't know. Okay, alrighty.
What about a shark?
We don't need a shark.
Dinosaurs.
Alright, come on, let's go.
Look. Oh, that looks.
It's a panda. Well, I was gonna say it's deformed. Oh, I like this one.
But look, they got a big version.
I do like that one. No, she wants this one. Look. Look, Mariana. Say we have lots of stuffed animals at home. Here, no. Let me see it. Okay, we're going. We're on the move. We're on the move. Look at the bins. Gonna check out the bins. Look how cute that bench is. The 2 cube stores that we have will fit like right underneath there too.
We came to IKEA for some bedding, and Mariana got a new dresser. Oh, Mariana. Oh, and an elephant. That's.
We are back from IKEA. She's playing in her Graco play yard. Oh, you need to take the tag off. Wanted to show what we got from IKEA, and I'm super excited. We did get the elephant. Want to do like a size reference? Do you want to hold it, honey? So she's standing up. I'm so excited. Okay, let's see what else we got. We got a king size comforter. So like the inside of a like a duvet. So we got a duvet cover. And I'm in love with this print. Comes with 2 pillowcases. A little jar. Let's see. And then I can pour it out. You said it was 17 ounces? Yeah, that's right. 17 ounces. Cute little raindrops. Then I just got a plain one, but I got these because I like to wash our laundry in vinegar. And it's the perfect little container for the vinegar. This is currently what we have the vinegar in. And it's like a hassle. It only holds like 4 loads. I marked it right here. And Sergio thinks that the cork, the vinegar is gonna eat the cork, but I don't know. So I just got the bigger containers for it. Mariana loves the doggies.
Lulu, Chewy, come here.
Goodbye.
It's nice that she can see like through the.
Well, that's what made her get up, because she's seen him right here when Lulu was trying to go to him.
You see Chewy?
Down, Chewy. Relax, Chewy. Lulu, calm down.
Oh, I forgot what we got for her room. We got a new dresser. I'm excited. Came with the accessories to mount it on the wall. I think it is going to be perfect for the changing mat to go right here. We're thinking about putting it on this wall. Chewy inside. You need a haircut, bud. We just got done at Save Mart. I will do a little haul when we get home. Mariana. So we ended up getting apricots, cucumber, banana, a couple plums. We got apples, avocados, head of lettuce. We got a Caesar salad mix, and then we got a sweet potato. Got a little Rocky Road, Magic Shell. Got some Starbucks iced coffee, sugar, marshmallows, egg salad, picnic macaroni, Chick-fil-A sauce, Hidden Valley Ranch. We got cinnamon roll coffee creamer, caramel macchiato coffee creamer, and then raspberry lemonade. Then we got some Almond Breeze almond creamer, the caramel, and then Simply Orange, Mountain Dew, Pepsi, Dr. Pepper. I was running low on some shampoo conditioner. Got Not Your Mother's and 2 egg cartons. That is all that we got. I wanted to hop in here real quick. I'm editing the video that you guys just watched. I forgot to close it out, so I wanted to say thank you for all the love and support. If you want to watch more, subscribe. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and then comment if you guys like to go to IKEA just as much as I do. I know that I want to buy the entire store when I'm there, but unfortunately this is not possible. So thank you for watching.